welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an excellent weekend. Yeah, don't mind the hair anyways. Yeah, the hair does what it wants. I'm gonna be receiving my wheels in a couple days, so I'm super excited for that. Definitely stay tuned. Only thing I will say, they are 18s and they are a dark gunmetal gray. I think I said too much. I actually replaced the gas cap, which may not seem like a big deal to some of you guys. The other one that I had was, I don't think that sounds healthy at all. You know, it's just something that I've always been wanting to do. So now I have a fresh gas cap on there. If you guys are just now checking in and are new to the channel, I have a 2008 Honda Civic Si, which I am currently modifying the FD2 inspired look. This is how she sits. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to replace the armrest piece, or if you guys are just wanting to replace it with a different fabric. This is just a tutorial to help you guys to install center console piece. So let me show you guys what mine is looking like right now, because it's actually really crusty. But here it is, and it is really, I mean, if you look at that, that's not even me. Like, I don't even rest my elbow on there, but man, that's crazy. Shout out to my boy Yanni in Massachusetts. I really appreciate you sending this through to me. He gave me a really good price on it. Couldn't really pass up. So shout out to you, Yanni. I'm gonna leave your Instagram handle right here so everybody could see it. Really clean FD build as well. So if you guys want to check his Instagram, there it is. And if you guys want to check out my Instagram, it's at VicWavy. So same name as my YouTube channel. So yeah, we are gonna get into this. There is a couple screws that you need to take out in here. So you guys will be needing a Torx bit 15 for the bolts. So I'll show you guys that now. All right, so after you get your Torx bit, you're gonna see these two bolts up top here. And like I said, it is a Torx bit 15. So you're gonna wanna take those out. Do not lose these bolts. So now once we have that off, this is gonna allow this cover to come off. There you go. So this comes out after you could take those two bolts out. There's one more screw here, I believe. Take that out. Don't lose that. So you gotta take these two out too. There's a couple in here. A couple bolts in here that you gotta take out. And again, don't lose these bolts. All right. This one here. Got that one. Two more here.
Bruh.
12 seconds later.
All right, guys, that took some finessing to do. You're supposed to move it up and down so that way you can access these four, and then it should slide right out. So now what we're gonna do is just take off this cover, and I believe it's just the three screws in the middle here. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then the top should come right off. Here you go. Here's the center arm piece fully taken out. And I don't know if you guys have yours stitched in. A lot of people like put tape and stuff, but I think for the one that I have, I'm just gonna place it on here. So yeah, just remove this and then put the new one on. This thing is disgusting. And yeah, I mean, like, look at that. That's like so faded. Like, I just want to do the comparison real quick of just how much more darker the one that Yanni sent me. Again, if you're using like bread material or Recaro or whatever other type of suede, I would recommend to secure it down. But in this case, we won't need to. So now we're gonna take our new center console piece. First things first is you're gonna wanna identify the front. So make sure that you have it to your front, facing forward. And you're gonna find the front, which is this, or in my case, this one here, because it is a stock one. And basically gonna just fit it on. You kind of want to pull it around the edges as best as you can. Make sure that it's flush. Make sure that there's no wrinkles or any type of loose slack on the top, because you want it to be form-fitting. So as you guys can see, here's how it looks. And when I secure it in, it'll look even better. I'm gonna put this back all together, and then I'll come back to you guys as soon as I'm done. All right, it's on. I know it looks dirty on camera, but I just have to clean it a little bit. But it is functioning. It looks a lot better. And yeah, it's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. The overall support, man, you guys have been amazing. We just hit over 4,000 watched hours. So I did apply for a partnership with YouTube. So hopefully soon I can get on that. It will help the channel. All of the money that I will be making from YouTube will go back into the car and the channel itself. Don't forget to share the video if you guys found it useful. Comment down in the section below. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.